ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Now we would like to welcome Saujanya from 2nd standard to give a lovely speech. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Good morning everyone, respected principals, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Saujanya R from 2nd standard. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers Day in our school. At first, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. This day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of our country and also a great teacher as well as philosopher. As we all know that teachers play an important role in our lives. They are our second parents. They are backbone of our society. Teachers are source of knowledge and wisdom. They are not just educators but also our mentors, friends, role models and real heroes. They are like guiding stars illuminating the path of knowledge and teach us discipline and make our future bright. This is the best day for students to express love and respect for their teachers. At last, dear teachers, I would like to express my gratitude and we are thankful and grateful for all your dedication and belief in us. Thank you.
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ಅವರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.